Hello students, the class for today is prepositions. For today we see vocabulary given directions, okay? Now continue. Vocabulary: between, opposite, at the corner of, on the left, on the right, next to, on, in. Okay, now repeat after me. Between, opposite, at the corner of, on the left, on the right, next to, on, in. Muy bien chicos, acá tenemos algunas preposiciones. Acá les he puesto el significado en español para que puedan recordar y no se olviden de practicar en casita. Okay? Now continue. In this part we have a map. Look the map, then answer the questions. Use the word bank. Okay? We have this bank of words and we have a little city. Now we need to complete this sentence. Muy bien chicos, vamos a observar el mapa, vamos a responder, vamos a completar estas oraciones y usaremos las siguientes preposiciones, ¿ok? At the corner of, between, and opposite. Okay, we have Diego's Avenue, Miami Street, Principal Street, and Gabby's Avenue. Okay, our sentence says, the candy store is the city hall. Okay, in this case, we use the preposition opposite. Okay, so in this part, we use opposite. Okay, now we continue with the next sentence. The toy store is the gym and the school. Okay, where's the toy store? The toy store, okay, it's here. In this case, we use between because between is entry. Okay, the toy store is between the gym and the school. Okay, because in this part it's the gym and here the school. Okay, now we have another. The candy store. Where is the candy store? The candy store is here. Okay, it's at the corner. Okay, but in this part we have Gabby's Avenue. Okay, so the candy store is at the corner of Gabby's Avenue. Okay, okay, we have our sentence. 1, 2, 3 sentence. Repeat after me. The candy store is opposite the city hall. One more time. The candy store is opposite the city hall. Okay, next. The toy store is between the gym and the school. The toy store is between the gym and the school. The candy store is at the corner of Gabby's Avenue. The candy store is at the corner of Gabby's Avenue. Okay, now continue. Okay, now in this part, look the map, give directions with prepositions. Use the word bank. Muy bien chicos, en esta parte vamos a observar nuestro mapa. Tenemos una nueva ubicación y vamos a dar ciertas direcciones, ¿ok? Vamos a usar las preposiciones de esta parte. We have corner of, between, opposite, and next to. The question says, where is the bank? Where is the bank? Where is the bank? Here. Let me see. Okay, the bank is here. Okay. Okay, the bank is here. How about the other question? Where is the grocery store? The grocery store. Let me see. The grocery store. Okay, the grocery store is here. Another, the library. Library it's here. Okay. And for last, the zoo. Where's the zoo? It's here. Okay. Now we're ready to answer our questions. Okay. Bueno chicos, ahora estamos listos para responder nuestras preguntas. Nos dice, where is the bank? ¿Dónde está el banco? The bank is, okay, in this case, we put here, the bank is next to the city hall. Okay? The city hall is here, the bank is here, so is next to. Okay, that's great. Now continue. Where is the grocery store? The grocery store, maybe next to the hospital or opposite the gym. Okay? In this case, we use opposite. Okay? The grocery store is opposite. Okay, it's opposite the gym. Very good. Let me see. The grocery store is opposite. Let me see. 1 minute. Okay, students. The question is, where is the grocery store? It's here, so the answer is the grocery store is opposite, opposite the gym. Okay, this is our answer. The grocery store is opposite the gym. Okay, we continue with the other question. Where's the library? The library is here. The library is between. Okay, so our answer is the library is between the city hall and post office. Okay, this is the answer. There's library. Where's library? The library is between the city hall and post office. Okay? And the last question is, where's the zoo? Where's the zoo? The zoo is here. Okay? So our answer is the zoo is, we use corner of. Corner of East Street. Okay? Okay, East Street. It's our answer. Okay, students, now repeat after me. Where is the bank? The bank is next to the city hall. Where's the grocery store? The grocery store is opposite the gym. Where's the library? The library is between the city hall and post office. Where's the zoo? The zoo is at the corner of this street. Okay, very good. Now continue. We have my city is special. Why my city is special? Because at the corner of my house is a restaurant. On the right is the school. In front of the school is the bookstore. Opposite the bookstore is the bank. Next to the bank is a gym. And between my house and the restaurant is a toy store. My city is special. Okay, students. Muy bien, chicos. Mi ciudad es especial, ¿verdad? En esta parte nosotros hemos utilizado todas las preposiciones que hemos visto. Como ustedes pueden observar, at the corner of, on the right, opposite, in front of, next to, between. ¿Ok? Entonces, ustedes en su tarea van a hacer exactamente lo mismo. Van a reemplazar, ¿verdad? Va a estar muy sencillo. Pueden utilizar mi ejemplo y poner algunos lugares que hay en la parte donde ustedes viven, en su distrito. Ok, muchísimas gracias.